Knowing how to get rid of ants is an incredibly useful skill. These creepy crawlers are resilient, and once they realize a home is an excellent source for food, they will keep coming back. Luckily, getting rid of ants is a relatively simple 3-step process. 1. Cut back the foliage. Ants love to climb trees and shrubs, and they use them as bridges to get inside. Cutting back on all the greenery that touches your home will make it tougher for ants to enter. 2. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth. Protect the exterior perimeter of your house with food-grade diatomaceous earth. Made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms, this soil sucks the moisture out of their bodies so they die of dehydration. While it is toxic for ants, it won't hurt people, pets, or your garden. 3. Seal your home. You'll need to block their points of entry. Seal all cracks around windows, door frames, and floorboards with caulk. For huge gaps and large amounts of damage, you may need professional repairs.